How to edit videos on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to edit the videos on Snapchat, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application on your mobile device, and then you can just tap like this, a video will be recorded on the Snapchat. Now, after you record the video on the Snapchat, you can see a lot of option to edit it. For example, you can keep the text here by just tapping on the option of the text like this. You can also set a background for the text like this, and then you can also go to the next option. That is, you can also create any of the symbols by tapping like this here, and then you can just select the next option as well. Otherwise, if you do not want it, you can just undo it as well. And here you have the next option to select a sticker as well. You can just go to the option like this, and you can select any of the stickers that you like as well, and this way you can just select the stickers. Here you also have the option of just setting a music here by tapping on the option of music. You can select any of the music that you want. Likewise, you also have the option to cut or the pre-cut the video by going to the option like this. You can also keep any of the filters by going to the option of the search like option here. You can also maintain the speed by just selecting the option of speed there, and you can also edit or you can also enhance the video by this very option, and you can also add other voice to it. So this is the way on how you can edit your videos on Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.